Hello students of class 5. So today I am going to start the next topic, that will be our last topic of this chapter, the name of the topic is we will solve and we can find a missing number using models. So already you know we have studied profit, loss, cost price, selling price. Already I have given you the detailed idea about the topic. So in that we have also used the models to find profit or loss or cost price or selling price. Similarly, we can also use these models whenever we need to find any missing number. But in case of addition or in case of subtraction, these models are very helpful. So you can use these models for finding the missing number. For example, if I am drawing one rectangle, suppose this is the rectangle and we don't know what is the value of this rectangle, and there is another rectangle below it and we know what is the value of this. Suppose the value of this is 40 and we are having the second rectangle, again the smaller one, the two rectangles which are smaller than the big rectangles. So suppose this value is equal to 60. So see, already you know these things. As you see 30 and 60, the two rectangles, if we add the two rectangles, we will get the bigger rectangle. Okay. So what we have to do to find this question mark? We can easily add 30 and 60. By adding these two numbers, we can find this number. As you all know, when we join these two numbers, when we join these two rectangles, we will get the bigger rectangle. So what we have to do, which operation we have to use here? We have to use addition. So we can use addition for finding this value of the bigger rectangle. Similarly, if our model is like this, suppose this number is given as 100 and this number is given as 45 and you need to find this number, the second rectangle. So here what we have to do, see, as you know the bigger rectangle is given, like in exercise 2.5 we have done question number 1, that was what total number of newspaper distributed, that was given, and the number of newspaper printed, that was given, and the number of newspaper that were distributed, that was also given. But the remaining newspaper which are not distributed, that was not given. So how we have found that one? We have subtracted from the bigger number. Okay, so here also for finding this smaller rectangle, you have to subtract 45 from 100 to get this number. Okay, so these are some simple techniques so that you can do the questions easily. Like in my previous lecture, I have already told you that by using some steps we can easily do the question in an organized manner. Similarly, here by using the models we can find the missing numbers. So let me do some question from exercise 2.6. See, question number 1, you have to use using models. For example, in question number 1a, $612 plus dash is equal to 948. So you have to find this question mark. You can use model. See here, sum is given, means the two numbers we are adding and we are finally what we are getting? We are getting sum. So sum is given, that means the bigger rectangle is given. The value of bigger rectangle is what? 948. And there is one smaller rectangle, that is 612, that is also given. So what is not given? Another small rectangle. The value of the smaller rectangle is not given. So you can you have to draw this model for finding the solution. Like this you can draw the model. So as you all know, what you have to do? You have to do subtraction here. So you have to subtract 612 from 948 to get this answer. So easily you can do. So use your rough copy to get the answer. This will be what? 336. So the answer is 336. So how to check the answer that you have done correctly or not? You know that by adding the two numbers, that means this and this, or by adding this and this, you will get the answer C. By adding this and this, 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, 3 plus 1 is 4, 6 plus 3 is 9. That means our answer is correct. You can recheck it also by using that steps we have done before this. So try to do the question number 1 using models. You have to draw by yourself. First of all, draw the model and then try to answer the question. So next is question number 2. So question number 2b, if you subtract 23,146 from a number, you are left with 35,906. Find the number. So what is given? See, we are subtracting a number from a number. That means from a number, that number is not given. So according to the question, what is given? See, this is not given. This is question mark. We are subtracting a number, that is, the number is 23,146 and we are getting the difference as 35,906. So see, these are given and which is not given? This is not given. So what is this? This is what? Minuend. Minuend is not given. Subtrahend is given. So you have to write the information properly according to the steps. We have read the question. Now you have to write the important information. So important information is this. We have written subtrahend and difference. Next step, you have to decide that what you have to do. So already you know, by for finding the minuend, we can add the two things, that is subtrahend and difference, to get this minuend. So by using this also, or by using the model. See, I have drawn the model also. By using the model also, you can get the answer of the minuend. So this is 35,906, this is 23,146. So what we have to do, we have to add to get the value of the bigger rectangle. So next step, you have to add the two numbers. So you can easily add these numbers. All of you already know how to add. So this is the answer, 59,052. So see, again you can check the answer. You know the process how to check. You can subtract. So the step was what? We are subtracting 23,146 from this number. So you can easily subtract this number from the number which we have found. By subtracting, you should get the answer, this one, 35,906. By checking like this, you can easily check that you have done it correctly. So try to do using the steps. That means first of all read, then you have to F, that means you have to find the information, you have to write the information. Next step is decide what you have to do. So you have to write that we are doing subtraction here. Next you have to solve the question, or you have to add, means what you have to do, you have to do that one. That means we are adding here, so you have to add, then again you have to check. Next, question number 3a. Khalid want to buy a board game that cost rupees 501. So I have written the information. Cost of the board game that Khalid want to buy, that is rupees 501, and money that he has rupees 479. How much more money does he need? That means he need some more money, that will add in 479, so that it will become how much? It will become 501. So I have used a model. Total money of the board game, that means total cost of the board game is given. The next is money he has is rupees 479. Next he wants some money. So how much money he need, you have to find that one. So clearly from this model we can say that we have to do subtraction. So by subtracting 479 from 501, we can get this answer, that how much money he need. So what you have to do, you have to subtract. So next We have subtracted, so rupees 22 more money Khalid need to buy the board game. Again, next step you have to check the answer, you have done it correctly or not. You have to check the calculation. So try to do it. Okay. So next there are more questions. So in similar manner you can do the next questions also. So try to use the models. By using the model you can easily do the question. So try to do all the chapters, all the questions of chapter checkup as we have completed with our topics. So in next lecture I am going to discuss the worksheet of chapter 1 and chapter 2. Okay, so thank you for today.